Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a simple welding machine at home using common materials that you can easily find. No need to spend too much money, just a bit of creativity and skill, and you'll have a useful tool for your DIY projects. Let's get started. I'm going to use a wooden block as an insulated handle and rivets as electrodes to create a welding arc. However, for the welding machine to operate, you need a suitable power source and good conductive wires. Wood is a natural insulating material, easy to find, and simple to process. If you don't have an insulated handle, you could get electrocuted or burned due to the heat from the arc transferring back. Rivets act as a soldering tip in a soldering iron. Secure to the wooden end by drilling a hole to insert the rivet. Please watch the video until the end and let me know which method you like most. I look forward to hearing from you. Steel rivets are a good choice because they withstand high temperatures. The electrical wire should be thick core copper wire. You can use household electrical wires, but avoid wires that are too thin, as they can overheat, melt, and cause voltage drops, preventing the welding machine from functioning properly. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting videos. Your support is our biggest motivation to make better videos. Insert the stripped wire into the hole drilled in the wooden block and place the rivet to secure it in place. Connect the other end of the wire to the battery clamp. The battery clamp allows for quick connections, easy installation, and adjustments if needed. Secure all components and ensure electrical safety. Wrap electrical tape around the handle and the wire to secure them, making it easier to use during the welding process. This DIY welding machine will use power from batteries or a power supply to generate a high current through two electrodes, melting the metal at the contact point for welding. This is a motorcycle battery, 12 volt. The blue wire connects to the negative terminal, and the red wire connects to the positive terminal. Do not use a power source stronger than 24V, as it may be dangerous or damage the device. Now I will test how the welding machine works. When you connect the power source, the current flows from the positive terminal through the wire to the rivet. When the rivet touches the metal to be welded, which is connected to the negative terminal, a spark arc appears, melting the metal at the contact point. I am going to test this welding machine with this razor blade. The welding machine works very well. It gets hot enough for welding. Amazing! The solder joint is very strong. What I love most is that it costs almost nothing to build. Anyone can make it without a big investment. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Even though it's simple, it welds thin metal and electrical wires quite well. Great results. Do you like this idea? Have you ever thought that an old electrical plug could be turned into a mini welding machine? Sounds strange, right? But I guarantee the results will surprise you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more exciting videos. Now let's get started. First, I'll remove the screw inside this terminal block. I need to take out the metal part inside to use as a soldering tip. Next, I'll work on the wiring. You can adjust the temperature yourself by changing the wiring or adding a resistor. It's super flexible for small welding tasks. Since this is a mini welding machine, thick electrical wires aren't necessary. I'll use this type of wire, and it will work just fine. The key is to secure the connections and properly insulate the contact points to prevent electrical leakage. And thanks to this plug, the machine is super compact and doesn't need any complicated setup. How convenient is that? Now, I'll connect one end of the wire to the spark plug. The spark plug is designed to conduct heat from the electrode tip to the metal body, preventing it from overheating during continuous use. Next, I'll make the connector for the soldering tip. So, what's special about this welding machine? First of all, it's super cost-effective. No need to spend money on an expensive machine. Just repurpose items you already have at home. It's cheap and fun, just the way DIY projects should be. First, watch the video until the end, and let me know which method you like the most. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. Reassemble the plug, and we're good to go. I'll connect the other end of the wire to a battery clamp. This clamp terminal is usually designed with a spring clip or screw tightening mechanism, making it easy to attach and remove without complex tools. Now we just need a soldering tip. I'll repurpose the graphite rod from old batteries to make the soldering tip. Now, let's disassemble the battery to extract the graphite rod inside. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity and has a high melting point, making it a great choice for this project. I'll sharpen one end to improve the welding contact point. Attach the graphite rod to the plug. And here's the most exciting part of today's video. I'll be using a metal spoon to conduct electricity to the soldering material. The spoon conduct electricity well, has high heat resistance, and doesn't deform under heat. Super effective. Now, let's prepare a motorcycle battery. It has a voltage of 12 V, which is enough to power this welding machine. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the blue wire to the negative terminal. Before welding, I'll preheat the soldering tip. Let's test it with aluminum foil. It's super hot. Wow, it works so well. It heats up quickly. Now, I'll test it with 2 razor blades. creates clean welds, and operates smoothly without any interruptions. A total success. After testing it with aluminum foil and razor blades, the results exceeded expectations. Fast and strong welding, a well-deserved success. What do you guys think? Do you like this idea? Don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.